Another new addition to iOS 18.2 is ChatGPT integration with Siri. The best part is now you do not have to have a ChatGPT account to use this feature, but you need to activate the ChatGPT extension for the first time. You can do it by going to Settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri, and under Extensions tap ChatGPT. Once you have enabled it, now ChatGPT is integrated with Siri. ChatGPT comes into play when Siri cannot perform certain functions. But you can simply bypass Siri and ask ChatGPT to perform searches for you by asking Siri to ask ChatGPT. Another Easter egg here is the ability to ask what's on your screen. Siri will take a screenshot and ask your permission to send it to ChatGPT for search. ChatGPT is also integrated with writing tools. In addition to the normal features that you see in writing tools, at the bottom you will find a new option called Compose. This gives you the ability to use ChatGPT in various ways to enhance your writing experience. You can personalize your text generation, rewrite existing content with precision, and even create entirely new passages from scratch.